Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if this is your first time on this page, you are most welcome. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So guys, in this video I would like you to come with me as I check on my unfinished house. Yes guys, so I had taken long without going to check, and since it's been raining every day here in my country, I thought maybe the grass is too much, so I went with the pesticides and the spray to spray the grass so that it does not make the neighbors uncomfortable. But fortunately it was not too much. Yeah, it was not too much as I thought. So you come with me and we go and check how it is now. So guys, here we are. That's the house we've reached. I went with some gentleman to help me spread the grass, but as I have told you, the grass was not too much as I thought. Yeah, it was not too much, but we had to spray it, of course, in order to make it dry and to make the neighbors comfortable, because too much grass may lead to snakes and other dangerous insects. That's why I went there to spread the grass so that it does not make the neighbors uncomfortable. Yeah. So I also had to get some sugar canes that are in that land. There are a lot of sugar canes around the house there. I don't know. The land is really good with sugar canes. There are so many, even though I found them when they are still young. And also the neighbors always eat them. Every time I go there, they always eat the sugar canes. So I found some sugar canes there. Even though they were still young, I thought maybe I take some. Yeah. So that's the area. I've got some neighbors. Here are some of the materials that were left. And here I am as the landlady. Yeah, so I did not stay there for so long. After we sprayed, then we left there. Those are some of the things in the plot. Those are yams. There are also some maize. I think the neighbors planted them there. Yeah. There's also another house being built around. So the area is really good. It's good. The neighborhood is good. It's not very far from the Lord. It's very, very, like, it's easy to reach the area. The area is good. There are also some jackfruits, as you can see. And also here are some of the fruits I got there. Yeah, this is avocado. I got it from there. So the journey was fruitful. I also got some sugar canes. So I enjoyed the journey. So guys, if you enjoyed watching the video, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. Also hit the notification bell so that you are one of those that see the video first. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and bye bye. Yeah, the photos at the end of the video are how the house was. after I had just built it. Now it has taken some months without, after I had finished to build it. That's how it looked like. Thank you.